you're going in the back. Good boy. Alright guys, this is wild. We got caught in freezing rain. Look at this. Can't see a darn thing through this windshield. Alright guys, let me know how crazy I am for doing this. I just spent the last half hour shoveling a pathway down this hill towards the campsite. I absolutely would have gotten stuck if I didn't shovel, but there's still a chance I get stuck on this little trail that I've made. So wish me luck, maybe. Might make for some more entertainment for you if I do get stuck. So, alright, let's see it. Sticks in here and we might be able to salvage.
Timbits box. Puppies enjoyed some Timbits along the way. Oh yeah. Spartan, stay close. Good boy, Spartan. Good girl, Luna. Alright guys, check this out. I made it homey. I did a lot of shoveling. A nice fire going. Puppy's playing tug of war. Tent set up. Got the side-by-side park down below. Oh yeah, a nice strip of sirloin. Hey, let me cool it off. Wait. Here, Luna. There you go, good girl. First you had the steak, now you get the chicken nuggets. Okay, good boy. That's what a growing Belgian Malinois needs. Strip loins and chicken nuggets. Yeah, good boy. Alright guys, the pups are cozy. This is definitely one of the more interesting outings that we've had. We've got hail right now. It's very gusty. It's gonna be like that for the majority of the night, so it might be a little difficult to sleep. As you can tell, it's pretty loud. Diesel heater's ripping. Got about 10 hours left of operation and it's 9:30 right now. So I'll be shutting that off at around 7 a.m., which is nice. Definitely not gonna complain about that. And this is a tiny tent, so I have to keep that flap open. It would definitely be well over 30 degrees Celsius in here if I didn't. It's currently 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 22 degrees Celsius. So that's pretty comfortable. Anyways, we are ready for bed. We're ready to go sleep. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night. Where's your smile, Luna? Oh, good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning, Looney Tooney. Oh. Good morning, Smarty. Oh. Careful, puppies. Luna, come. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Okay, come on. Don't break a leg. Luna, slowly. Hey, go to the pit. Get this log cabin going. We got fire, baby. Woo! Yeah. Oh. Nice Tim Hortons coffee. Oh yeah, this is your stick. All right, go. Okay. Oh. Yeah, good morning. Go puppies. Yeah. Hey, Sparty, good boy. Go. Good boy, okay. Up and in, up and in. Yeah. Ready? There you go. That's a good boy. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, you're so good with getting the harness on, as is Luna. Yeah. There you go. You're all buckled. You're all buckled. Oh, you were such a good boy this trip. Yeah, look at the fangs. Look at the doofies. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Luna, your turn. Come this way. Come on. No, this way. Come on, baby. In. Good girl. Good. All right, we're all packed up and loaded up. Put the fire out just now. And this may be wishful thinking, because we just got dumped on with some freezing rain. But I'm hoping that we can make it out without me having to put in more work. But I feel like it's a 60-40 in favor of me pulling that shovel back out. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Right on, guys. Another amazing journey for the books. The 30-knot winds and the ice storm only added to the excitement. Couldn't ask for more. Always a good time. We'll catch you on the next one. Limitless Tales out. Take care.